This is how to use a link that has been shared that forces you to make a copy of something from Google Drive. So you will copy and paste the link into your search bar across the top. You will come to a page that says Copy Document and ask if you would like to make a copy of that document. When you select Make a Copy, then a new copy is going to be generated. This is going to be unique every time you press this button to make a copy. So now we have our own copy of this particular Google form. To change the name of this, you simply click in the top left corner and you can change any part of it that you would like and press Enter. Now you have your own document. It has been renamed across the title bar at the top, and this will be located in your Google Drive.